Hey everybody, so I just want to show y'all my grow garden my son got me for Christmas. It's the latest ever, but first of all, Amazon played me because I thought this would be bigger than this. This was $89. Look how small it is. It didn't come with nothing but this cord. The stuff I'm growing coming tomorrow. This is my first time trying to grow some lettuce and vegetables, whatever, but y'all got any tips? You got one? Please let me know. I'm liking it. I think I might have to buy me another one though if it turned out good, but y'all got any tips? Let me know. Okay, so the kit come with, I bought this kit. It come with the these little domes you put in there. You gotta add these sponges. You gotta soak them for 5 minutes. Then put 2 or 3 of these seeds inside of there and let it grow. Then you put the labels on here. And the grow domes, you leave these on so you see the flowers start to grow up, the vegetables, whatever. Then you take these off. You don't have to plant food until you see these come up. So I'm gonna get these out. Let me open this first. And it comes with these little tweezers. So I gotta put the sponge in there first. So do the dwarf pea first, since it's bigger. Okay. One. They say add 2 or 3 seeds, so I'm gonna add 3. Ah! Where you go? Okay. Lord. Okay. You right. I'm trying to make a video of this going all over the place. Get in there, get in there. Okay. So I'm gonna put this one here. That's the dwarf pea. Now I'm going to, with my label here, the peas. This is a sort of mold, I guess I'm gonna go on top of it. You put that on there. And when I get done, just add water to it. And then you put this on there. But I ain't gonna put this side. You add the water in here, then just cut the light gonna start, then you just let it do what it do. Save these in here. Okay. Put my plant food up. Gotta keep all my stuff in the box. I've been through this stuff in the garbage. I'm gonna put the rest of my little seeds in here. What I'm gonna do next? Let me do these cucumbers. Cucumbers next. Huh? I'm recording them, huh? 3 of these. And I'm gonna use 3. What is a cucumber I said? Rinse them suckers out. 1. I really wish I could have a garden outside the house, but I ain't got time for all those rodents or whatever to be out there. Oh my God, I'm getting my labels wet. Okay, so I'm back. Excuse my raggedy handwriting, but I'm going to try to grow some cucumber. I think it's peas, green pepper, radish, wild strawberries, and cherry tomatoes. So they say put the water in here. Fill it up to the black part. Okay, I got enough water. Okay. Okay. So now we're just doing a watch and wait game. Just guess what the hell? Please plug this in. What is this for? Am I retarded? Okay. That's that. Where does it go? Where does this plug go? Must be for the light some type of way. Where does this plug go? Go there. no clue. Let me see. What the hell? Okay, I'm gonna have to do some Googling. But anywho, I know this one go back here, so hold on. Let me be right back so I can get this together. Okay, I'm slow. Okay, they said this cord goes right here. I didn't see that at first. Okay, so wait, and the light is not on. Okay, so anywho. So somebody said you're not supposed to add the plant food until you see the little plant flowers in here, but I might add it tomorrow or whatever, but I'm gonna Google some more stuff tonight. So they say just put these little caps over it until you see the little flowers popping out, and then you can take these off. So I guess I'll update you guys as time goes by. It's gonna be a long drawn out video, but hey, wish me luck. Okay, I say you're supposed to tap the logo to temporarily turn on and off. Why is it not coming on? This is crazy. It's plugged up. Everything's plugged up. Tap the flower logo. I did tap it. Okay, there we go. Alright, I'm so happy. Hope everything worked out. Let me show y'all something else real quick. So I got these green onions from the store the other day, and they say this is the easiest thing to grow in the indoors. So I just had it in water for a couple of days. I changed the water every day, and it was real small at first, but they growing up really good. I'm gonna try to taste them one day, but I'm happy. I'm gonna put it in soil, or I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm trying to start me a little garden or something. I guess I'm getting old, but anywho, talk to you guys later. See you in the next video.